science, communication, and digital culture in a relaxed yet in-depth way. First, let me introduce myself. I am Fanny.
And I am Fanny. This time, we'll be discussing a trending topic on social media, especially among young people. The title is Exploring the Creative and Conscious Storytelling Style of Generation Z on Social Media. Exactly. In this fast-paced era, Gen Z has a unique and creative way of storytelling. Sometimes, a 10-second video can make us crying or laugh.
Alright, let's start with the basic. What exactly is Gen Z storytelling?
Gen Z storytelling can be described as very short, visual, and personal narrative, digital narrative. They do need to be as long as short stories, but they still hit the mark right.
Exactly. They're really good at creating attention-grabbing opening liners. For example, you won't believe this happened, then they jump straight into an absurd yet relatable scene.
Yeah, Gen Z gets straight to the point. They don't need a long introducing like once upon a time, but dive right into the conflict.
There's also the soft storytelling style. For example, A Day in My Life videos the same casual but actually provide a visual narrative about their lifestyle.
Don't forget the humor element too, fun. A lot of Gen Z content use inside joke, satire, or memes that require a Gen Z cultural dictionary to understand.
Now, let's talk about platform. Did you know, Fawn, that Generation Z storytelling style is also influenced by where they create content?
Of course, a simple example is TikTok. TikTok is like a main stage. Short duration, short algorithm, and easy to go viral.
That's right, on TikTok they can be directors, editors, and actors all at once just by using their phone.
Instagram seems having different storytelling style that is more visual. They use curriculums to tell stories slide by slide or create cinematic reels. Then relatable music is added as background or quote is added to fill the screen.
On Twitter, now X, they're really skilled at creating threads just with an opening line like, I once experienced the craziest thing in my life. People are already curious to keep scrolling.
The language style is also unique. Wow, it's very distinctive. A mix of Indonesian, English, sometimes Sudanese, Japanese, and of course, Gen Z slang. Plus, emojis are part of the narrative.
Yes, a caption like this so different, plus a few explanation emojis already has a meaning. Emojis can set the mood without needing a long explanation.
Now, the question is why are Gen Z stories so effective?
First, short attention span. Gen Z understands very well that the audience can skip something in 2 seconds. That is why they create content that is straight to the point, not long-winded, so that the audience will enjoy watching it.
Yes, that's right. There is also emotional issue built within the content, whether it is funny, sad, embarrassed, horrified, or nostalgic. They know that if we can make people feel something even in a short time, the content will definitely be remembered.
Funny is absolutely right. Authenticity also affects tofu. Gen Z does like things that are too fake. They prefer content that is relevant, funny, and sometimes imperfect. That's what makes it feel human and interesting.
For example, many videos makes us scream for real or telling stories of real-life problems, such as quarter-life crisis, burnout, or failed job interview. However, we love it because of the set of its audio-visual.
Do you have any example of Gen Z stories that you think they are really good?
I once saw a TikTok of a boarding house kid telling a story about his struggle at the end of the month. Slide 1. Open an empty wallet. Slide 2. Instant noodle. Slide 3. Empty gallon. And slide 4. Drink tap water. Funny, tricky, but honest. And it went viral. The famous definition of a comedy track.
Really funny. And also said a girl tell a story about being left by her ex-husband but in a cinematic style. The duration was only 45 seconds, but the vibes were like an Indian movie trailer. It's so funny.
The instinct is they don't need expensive equipment, just intention, authentic stories, and understanding the platform.
That's right. The important thing is to be able to connect with the audience to make them laugh, think, or feel like this story really relates to me.
So, you could say that Gen Z storytelling is a modern form of communication that is honest, fast, and emotional. It's not just about style, but also about connection.
And we can all learn from them, whatever your profession, such as content creator, lecturer, businessman, or even student. Understanding how Gen Z tell stories can make your communication more interesting.
Thank you for listening to today's episode. Don't forget to follow the Make Minute podcast and give a rating or comment so that we are even more enthusiastic about making new content.
If you have a creative Gen Z story, mention us on IG Make Minute Podcast or take your favorite content.
See you in the next episode. Keep it short, keep it creative, and keep telling stories. Bye!